that must be stopped in this country because even on that.
Briefly, you go court today. I know say the case still dey court.
Yes.
What it happen?
Well, we go court today because
Justice
of
crack.
Justice Crack.
The justice don't crack.
Well, crack, and I did happy about her because I shake hand with him today. But you see, as this thing, his real name is Justice Shidebere. His alias name is Justice Crack because that's what he uses on social media. But the part we say, the way the system fights, it will affect husband, affect wife, anything will break meat. Justice no crack, but I felt bad when we came out of the court and we shook hands, but the wife came out and she was broken.
But I be here information reach us saying DSS not allow you enter court.
They don't allow me enter court.
Why?
Because they don't say if I did court, some of the things, even say me and judge, they look each other sometimes, they affect cases. That's why they don't want me to be in court. Because you get as me and they look at the judges, they will not say when they record history. Say this bad thing where they do, it will affect. And the judges are conscious of that. That's why you see sometimes judges go say they don't want anybody for their court. Because they know say people there for court. They know if you get away with some of the things where they do. But DSS no get any business to they stay in front of court. Come they tell person. We come court say no fear enter. Not only because Nigeria don't spoil pata. Now DSS will come go stand in front of court. Come they tell, sometimes they go even tell lawyers. We come court say no fear enter court. They go they pick and choose which of the lawyers. Sometimes they go tell lawyers say if you no smile, they don't go allow them make enter court. That's how
smile, you can't smile for
exactly. So, but now, what they call impunity with that? Impunity. Well, now, what they call them? Say, Nigeria don't reach that level. Even under military rule where we fight, DSS no get that kind of power to stand in front of court. But now, DSS not only they stand in front of court, they won't even fit tell you for this federal high court to say you know if you go toilet. Yes, that's how bad they did for in front of toilet itself. They take over everywhere. Impunity of the highest order. Now with the experience for this country. DSS go tell court staff, say no fi enter court. Or simply they present their own ID card. And how can you call a place a federal high court that has provision for access to the public? And some people, because they call themselves DSS, can't go stand in front of the place. Can't they determine who will enter the place and who not going? That in itself has destroyed what we call fair hearing. Because a court is not properly constituted until there's a judge, at least 2 lawyers, and the members of the public. That's why you see that they put chair for inside court. It's called a gallery. Because every member of the public is entitled to enter any courtroom they want to observe the proceeding, the judicial proceedings, especially if you have to close down the court, you must explain to the public why it is closed.
Okay.
Not for DSS to just carry raincoat for when rain not they fall. Can't carry AK-47, And the sad part is that even the AK-47 when they carry, if he accidentally kill people, if he accidentally kill judge, so all these judges say when they accept this thing, they know they think. But because most of the judges, they corrupt themselves, they compromise, they no fit talk. And the NBA, Nigerian Bar Association, and they talk them now, because Alpha Mosigwe na person where I know. I never understand why they keep quiet over this violation of the integrity and the dignity of our courts, where they don't take any position. In other countries, if you tell DSS Simeon and they come court, if they don't stop, you tell the lawyers not to go to court. May they go to defend the candidates. They go come out.
Okay. You don't talk about CCM for court today. That one is your personal opinion about our Nigeria judiciary and the DSS and everything. Now,
it's my personal opinion. Yes. And when I talk to personal opinion, because they know where I did.
Yes.
DSS know how to locate me. If I talk something where they don't like, I feel give them my address. They have my number. They still get 2 of my phone for the office. They feel they dial and it go ring for there. But the truth be said, if we no take this country seriously for our lifetime, the country go destroy. It go destroy. So we don't go get any country. All this one when I talk say, maybe we not talk certain things because maybe the government not go like am. The people wey dey government now, when their time finish, they will come dey beg una make una speak on their behalf when their suffer go come, because they go see me. I dedicate am to Justice Crack, wey unlawfully dey for detention for hand of DSS. He was initially abducted by the Nigerian army, beaten, tortured, maltreated, dehumanized before they come carry and give DSS. DSS come carry and go court. He no commit any offense. They talk say he carry photo of soldiers wey they no feed well for war front. Now he cry with that. We need to feed our soldiers very well if we want make them fight terrorism. It is unfair to be maltreating soldiers if you expect me they go die for the rest of us. In fact, as we did, we supposed to contribute Gary and money, send go meet soldiers. Okay. All these politicians, when they call opposition now, you know, at one time or the other, they had the opportunity to fix Nigeria. They refused. You know, we get one man where I see for court last week, Jerry Ghana. The man is 84 years old. Now they do MAMSA when we did secondary school. He see they hustle for politics. Do you know that if they had made the country work, the man for they enjoy retirement now? But you see they run kata, he run enter federal that day. Maybe he run follow Jonathan to conquer. Jonathan not gonna show up. I can't say, I just look and say, now why for this country? And at the same time, most of these opposition people where you see, that's why I'm telling you, they are not opposed to anything. Now them way cause the problem where they for Nigeria where we did now. Think about people like David Mark. I did class 4. Now they hear me so. I've been at class 3 for secondary school. When David Mark be the governor of Niger State, he did for my papa Almanac for our village. Because that time, I think they had 19 governors. So military administrators, they called them. They did tell us because we must cram them because of social studies or government. Now, for 2026, I'll be chairman of political party, African National Congress. David Mark still be chairman of political party, ADC, African Democratic. Which time they go allow their own children to even get opportunity in the sunshine. But beyond that, you know another system where they use? They go come divide their family into 2. Baba go there for one political party. That's why they say no opposition, no. Now just wuru. Then the son go there for ADC, Papa go there for APC. The son go there for ADC, Papa go Atiku son there for APC, and Papa there for ADC. David Mark daughter there for APC, in there for ADC. They distribute themselves strategically so that whichever one works, na bet Niger, they no go fail. And that's why we are telling Nigerians, we are not begging you to look in our direction. We are telling you that we are real. We are the ones taking all the risk. Whatever is left in this country today is because we are still standing up. Otherwise, they would have buried the country alive. But we are the ones who have to go out. This man is talking about contractors now. We sent people to go and fight for contractors when they were protesting. Yeah, you know, but the contractors are not fighting for Justice Crack because he's not a contractor.
Okay, wait. Hello. Okay. Say the contractors, they not come out constant for Justice Crack. Justice Crack could be anybody picking. Anybody papa, anybody brother,
anybody papa, sister. They bring in picking comes on this because
in 5 months.
That one we don't be 1 year old today. They bring a Concord. It's the first time we've seen the child in weeks.
Nigeria, I still get upset. Nigeria go better for our time.
All of
Nigeria
us
was
get
better.
hope. Yes.
Nigeria we held in. Nigeria go good again. Hello, what's be your name and where are you from the colors?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. What's be your name and where are you from the Shukman for this program?
I am Eldajo. I'm calling it Kuje.
Kuje. What is be your name?
I'm Eldajo from Kuje.
Eldajo for Kuje. Okay, Eldajo for Kuje. And she already here. When they talk about opposition party, are they ready for 2027? What do you get to talk? You get question to ask him. What do you get to talk?
Hello?
Hello, sir. We hear you. Yes, I hear you loud and clear.
Okay. That's what we did here.
Okay.
The only thing we say, if they want to go down for radio, then they will come for the radio station, the sanctioner. And it will not be good for us. That is just the truth about it.
Okay.
But for people like Sowore, we have been praying for it actually. But we hope that people like him, we get more of them in this country to join him so that the profit will be more. He said the truth about all these opposition political parties. They are not really political parties actually. But if we have people like him, like Nice or Lynn, Janifa and their lives, well, I think this country will move a little bit ahead from where we are today. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Elder Joe. You hear what you talk?
I hear him. You know, say Kuje in our area. Nigeria will go prison from time to time. So we always wish them well. And even sometimes if they don't carry us go prison, we go to visit Kuje. You know, and it's one of the oldest communities in Abuja, by the way, that has not benefited from good governance. It's notorious for being the place where they put the prison. And that's what I was saying earlier. Say, if you take governments, And they always tell this government, if you take make you repair the prison with the area because you will end up there one of these days. All these people now will be government people before. They ignore
Like
Kuje.
the one that gives 75 years in prison.
Yes, Ingo take for Kuje, you know, and I hope say they will put them for general population, you know, will get VIP treatment. So that they will know how it feels when you but the truth is that when people like that go to prison, and you should hear me out, when he's finally taken to prison, they will not put him in prison. Before you know him, they don't talk, say, they don't write medical reports, say, you know, well. You get where they put big men, we're supposed to for prison, for Gaki Hospital.
Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. If now you want to keep getting updates, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. I want to see you on the next one.
They can't relocate you. Now there way waiting with this governor play 2 states. Dariye and the one we come from Tara. All those one when they jail, they don't spend 3 days for real prison.